Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a vegetarian version of the classic baked potato and another variation of it. So let's begin. So the potatoes that need to be used for this recipe, you need to take the starchy version. So russet potato and all are the best options. But the ones that I get here, I'm going to be using those. So wash your potatoes thoroughly with water. Use a brush to, dust off all the dust and everything on it. And now I'm going to score the potatoes. Just take a fork and score the potato nicely. So basically we do this so that it cooks all the way through and of course to let out all the steam. Let's do it to the other one as well. Let's coat these potatoes with oil now. So drizzle good amount of oil over it. Massage it a little bit with oil. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. These potatoes are ready to go in the oven at 180 degrees for about an hour, and we'll check after 1 hour. Place the potatoes directly over the wire rack. While the potatoes are baking, I'm going to quickly make a sauce for this. I'm going to start with heating some butter. Half a teaspoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, into this I'm going to add 1 grated clove of garlic, some green onions, and some broccoli florets. While this is cooking, let's mix the corn flour and milk. I have half a cup of milk, into which I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Give this a stir. Let's add this corn flour mixed with milk into the saucepan. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil. Once this mixture thickens, into this I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Cook this for a minute. This is done. Let's turn off the flame. The potatoes are done. It's over an hour, and now I'm just going to score it or poke a knife and check whether it's done all the way through. It's got a nice crunchy skin and it's done all the way through. And now let's make a slit in the center. Be very careful, it's very hot. Let's open the potatoes a bit using a napkin. For the classic baked potato, I'm going to put some butter in. Up to you, as much as you like. Let's grate in some cheddar cheese. Let's garnish it with a little bit of green onions. I'm just going to sprinkle a little more salt, just a pinch, and a pinch of pepper. Same way, I'm going to assemble the next one. In the other one as well, I'm going to put a little bit of butter. Let's top it up with the broccoli mixture. Let's garnish it with a little bit of cheese. Let's bake these in the oven again for another 5 to 6 minutes till the cheese is nicely done. The cheese is nicely melted, and now I'm going to top up the classic baked potato with a little bit of yogurt, curd, or you can even use creme fraiche. just a pinch of salt and pepper. And some green onions. And I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of chili sauce. So both the variations of my baked potatoes are ready and time to dig in. Do try this recipe at home and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.